English Base Screen, Lesson 4.
Kwigira icyongereza kuri ekara, isomo rya 4.
Prepositions.
Uturangahantu.
Dear Toyota, look.
Nshuti yanjye Toyota, reba.
My father is going to church.
Data agiye ku rusengero.
Dina is coming from Kigali.
Dina avuye i Kigali.
The man is sitting under the tree.
Umugabo yicaye munsi y'igiti.
Cedric's hand is up. Now it's down.
Ikiganza cya Cedric kiri hejuru. Ubu noneho kiri hasi.
The passengers are at the bus station.
Abagenzi bari muri gare.
Where are the pens?
Amakaramu aherereye he?
The pens are on the table. And the table is near the wall.
Amakaramu ari ku meza, naho imeza iri ruhande rw'igikuta.
Where are the pupils?
Abanyeshuri bari he?
The pupils are in the classroom.
Abanyeshuri bari mu ishuri.
Where is the boat?
Ubwato buri hehe?
The boat is in the middle of the lake.
Ubwato buri hagati mu kiyaga.
Where is Claudine?
Claudine aherereye he?
She's between Teta and Mary.
Ari hagati ya Teta na Maria.
Where is the teacher?
Mwarimu ari he?
He is in front of the pupils.
Ari imbere y'abanyeshuri.
Where is the blackboard?
Ikibaho cya mwarimu kiri hehe?
The blackboard is behind the teacher.
Kiri inyuma ya mwarimu.
Thank you, Claude.
Urakoze, Claude.
You are welcome, Toyota.
Urakoze nawe, Toyota.